It's art snacks time. Curious to see what we got in here. Oh. Is it a coupon? There's a coupon for lighting. That might come in handy sometime. Okay. We have Smarties. And we have, that looks almost like a regular colored pencil. Color of a pencil. Okay. That's a little worse for wear. Don't they know I keep those? So I know what I like. I mark what I like on there. I shouldn't have. What is this? Okay. I'm curious. I gotta figure out what this is. Is it like an eraser? It says, come on there. Alright. Correct stick eraser. Hold this handy tool like a pencil and erase with complete accuracy. Prevent smearing. Clean erase every time. Very cool. That's fun. Okay. And let's see, on the same page, there is a Copic Multiliner CS. Alright, where's my scrap of paper? I'm not very prepared today. Alright, this is just regular paper, and yeah, it's been played with. Okay. Oh. So we have kind of a chisel-y sort of thing, so hold the flat side and you can get some curvy lines, or skinny lines, or fat lines. Very cool. And this one, you know, I love all these mechanical pencils I get, and I never refill them. What for? Okay, how do you load this one? Do I have to read the instructions? There we go. It's that thing. And then it locks into place? Really? Huh. Okay, pencil. It says it's a $6 pencil. Wow. Oh, and it has a twist of eraser. That's fun. Whee! Okay, that's how long it goes. Okay, go back down. Yeah, I'm weird. And doesn't say what size lead is in there. Oh, 0.5. 0.5. So pretty thin. Cool. Okay. Next. Then this one is Faber-Castell Pitt Big Brush Artist Pen in a blue color. Sky blue, and this is one of the big ones. So black, graphite, blue, and then orange. So this is a Liquitex Professional Paint Marker. High pigment quality. Apply it on various surfaces. To begin, flow, give the marker a good shake, then gently press the nib. Okay. I had to make sure I needed to shake it. Okay, it's probably shook enough. Wow, that is some bright neon orange. Wow. Look at that. You know, it smells kind of like, I Now it's a familiar paint smell, but it is paint. Water-based acrylic, so it'll be permanent when it's dry. And it's fluorescent orange. Alright guys, I have blue, orange, and black. And a pencil, and an eraser. Oh, we should test this eraser. Let's see, precision, accuracy. Wow, that eraser's really nice. Still looks good. Look at that. Let's see. Is that a weird thing to play with an eraser? Nice. Okay. Let me think about this and we'll come up with something.
So since it's May, I decided to do a mermaid. Any of you that follow me on Instagram will probably see that I've been doing a mermaid drawing every day. Not that they're the greatest, but they're just quick drawings of mermaids. I was hoping they'd get better as the month has gone along, but as you'll see in this one, they're not really improving much. But I figured I'd go with a theme, so we're going to have, I think, a bright orange mermaid. So there we go, a quick little mermaid with the art snacks box and a few extras. I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me and you're not already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.